The Soul Fitness Model E25 has been a fabulous addition to my home gym, especially when I don't want to go to the actual gym. Some of the features have been updated, but the overall look of the elliptical is still strikingly similar. Let's start with the dashboard. Its LED display and buttons make it easy to see and use. The screen displays your current settings and progress of workouts such as incline, time, distance, pulse, calorie burn, and more. Below are the actual buttons to control or customize your workout. Different incline levels for additional resistance, allowing you to target and work all major lower body muscle groups as well as handles for upper body workouts. It also has stationary handlebars with built-in pulse sensors for heart rate monitoring. The four wheels at the back are on heavy-duty rails, providing a smoother, much stable feel and reducing side-to-side foot pedal motion. The unique foot pedals leave much space for different foot sizes and have slight inward slopes, which reduces stress to the ankles and knees. Includes a built-in cooling fan and water bottle holder. The console also has built-in speakers which allow you to hook up any MP3 player for easy listening. The updated version now includes an integrated tab holder so you can use your smart devices to watch shows or follow workout routine, a USB port for charging, Bluetooth audio speakers so that you can listen to music, and it has a more vibrant electric console. The only two issues I have, but are definitely not deal breakers, is that after some time the stickers start to peel away from the machine, and every once in a while I hear squeaks, but I just give it a spray of lubricant and no more noise.